Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we would have this x equals to -4 is a solution of a given equation. And there's an unknown b down there. Find the value of b and also find the other solution. So, since they tell me this x equals to 4 is a solution, means that it can satisfy the equation. Meaning, if I'm going to substitute this as -4 or the x as -4, I would be able to find the value of b. And that's what we are going to do. So for part A, we will then just have to substitute x equals to -4 into the equation. And you will then have this. And you realize that we only left with b. Okay, so this will be 32 minus 4 plus b equals to 0, 28 plus b equals to 0. So b will be equals to -28. And now that we have b as the answer, we will then be able to solve this particular question now. For part B, so 2x squared plus x minus 28 equals to 0. And at this point, right, it is very important to take note that x equals to -4 is a solution. So if we work backwards, x plus 4 equals to 0. This means that one of the factors of this equation we have just found out. This is actually one of the factor. And so, when I were to do this, when I want to factorize this, right, 2x squared, I'll have 2x times x. I will have -28. I know that plus 4, x plus 4, in fact, x plus 4 is one of the answer. So this one will be a +4. So this is something for you all to take note of. And from here, I could then get the other answer quite easily, because 7 times 4 is equals to 28. And since 4 is the positive, 7 must be the negative. And from here, I would then be able to just double check. This will give me 8x. This will give me -7x. Yes, 8 minus 7 is 1. And I will be able to get my answer quite straightforward. X +4, 2x -7 equals to 0. One of the bracket must be equals to 0. And therefore, this will be 7. X will be equals to 7 over 2. 3.5. And so, since we already know x minus 4, x equals to -4 is one of the solution, then the other solution is x equals to 3.5. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.